Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know that don't have a nice setting behind me. This is literally where I usually film, and I'm just too dang lazy to put my stuff back there to film in front of it. So today's video, I'm going to be doing an super easy cut crease New Year's wearable look for anyone. And I'm specifically doing this because I wanted to really dig into the ColourPop Twinkling Lights collection that Kathleen Lights did with ColourPop, the holiday collection. I've had it for a little while, I've been playing with it, and I haven't used it on camera, and it's still in stock right now, so I thought I would just film with it today. And I really wanted to do something that's cut crease, that has a little bit of sparkle, but that's beautiful and wearable and that anyone can pull off. So the Twinkling Lights is the liquid lip bundle. It looks like this. Does this look familiar, you guys? So there's 4 liquid lips in the collection, 2 glosses, 1 satin, what is this one? Is ultra matte lip, 1 satin lip, 2 glosses, and I want to create a look that you could wear any of these ones with. So with this look, you can pair any of these liquid lipsticks slash glosses with. I did the 2 glosses is what I did, but you could pair any of these with it and it would look really, really good. And then the collection also came with 4 Super Shock shadows is what it came with. So 4 Super Shock shadows. I'm going to be using 2 of them to create this really easy like cut crease type of situation. So I hope that you guys really like it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and it's going to be like a getting ready with me type of talking video, just fun, and I can just talk with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. Good morning. I'm not in my usual setup. All my stuff is back there, but I'm plopped in front of this window because I want to do like a getting ready with me for New Year's Eve, and I want to use some of these new Twinkling Lights. This is going to be probably the most wearable, easy to pull off, easy cut crease type of New Year's look ever. Okay, so I'm getting into this. This is the Violet Voss Pro what is this called? Hashtag My Holy Grail palette, just because it's a neutral. There's lots of neutral colors in here, so just look for a neutral palette. And I'm gonna get into the transition. It's called transition right here. And I'm gonna start putting that into the transition area. I'm not setting a primer or a base down because I'm gonna be using a concealer to do a cut crease. But you can definitely do a primer first and then do a concealer. But I'm putting that as a transition, so a little bit higher than my crease would be, and I'm blending it out. I missed a video last week, sorry guys. But I have like a ton of foundations I'm gonna try soon. I love foundation videos. So the foundation I'm using today is gonna be one that you guys are gonna see probably on Wednesday. Wednesday. I look like a wreck, I'm sure, today. Anyways, okay, then we're gonna get into Are You Kidding Me? It's one of my favorites. I literally have been using this palette every day since I got it. So I'm staying pretty high up, but I am gonna take that lower as well into the crease. And then I'm gonna turn it sideways and make sure it's blended. This is a Morphe brush. It's one of my absolute favorites. It came like in an eye kit, but I love like the natural bristle, you know, like the non-synthetic ones. They just are so amazing at applying and blending and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna mix that one with Bestie, like these 2. Are You Kidding Me with Bestie? Bestie I feel like is a little bit on the pinker side, which I like. And I'm just gonna keep on blending, putting it into the crease, blending. It's literally all we're doing for the whole entire look. I'm gonna take a small brush. I'm gonna take Thanx a Latte, which is like a matte color. It's like a latte color. I'm putting that right underneath the brow. And that's the color that's going to be all over my lid for my cut crease. So Let's do the cut crease. All right, for my cut crease, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey, and we're gonna cut the crease with this tiny, ooh, we're gonna do this one, this lip brush. This is the It's Likely Makeup Pro 1L, the furless brushes, Pro 1L. And I'm gonna cut my crease. You don't have to cut your crease. Just put a little bit of concealer on your crease, or on your, not your crease, your lid here. So the trick with this is I put a little bit of concealer on my lid and then I look up, and then that gives me the guide of how far up I need to go. And then I just kind of shape it. And these lip brushes are so great for that. If your brush just seems like it's not flat enough, getting it into both sides of the product and really like flattening it out can help. But with these lip brushes, they're so like compact already. So it kind of like gives me a guide. Can you guys see that? I put it on, I look up, and you can kind of see how like far it's smudged, and that gives me my guide. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go back to Thanx a Latte. It's like this like cooler cream color, and I'm going to set my lid and put that on top, and it's gonna be the kind of like the base color. It looks like a bone color. That's why I'm saying it's super wearable, because it's gonna have this like bone color underneath. Okay, so I think that the one I'm gonna use is Glisten, which looks like this. It's really absolutely beautiful, stunning, and gorgeous. It has like some glitz to it. So we're gonna use that, and I'm gonna put it with my finger on top of the lid, and then I'll get in with a brush up to the edges. But this is gonna be just a really beautiful, like natural type of look. Oh man, has like a pinky peachy kind of look to it. And then I'm gonna get into Light Up and try to put that in like the center. So I kind of just broke it just a second ago, but it's like really, really beautiful. And I'm gonna stick that just in the very center to give me a little bit of glitz and glitter. So I pop that in like the center, and then I'm gonna go back over with this color. Can you see like that shift it has? So I'm gonna do a wing. This is just my Sigma pen here that I absolutely love. And I'm gonna do a wing, like a small one. And then let's move on to the face and do some foundation. So this is the foundation I'm going to be doing, like putting up the review pretty soon, but it's the Dior Nude Air, and I'm not going to say anything about it because the review is coming up on Wednesday, I believe. So I'm just going to put on my foundation. I'm going to use this one, the Becca First Light Priming Filter, because I love it and I've been using it a lot lately. Kind of go fast through this because you guys have seen me do my makeup, my foundation, lots and lots of times. Let's conceal, of course, using this little baby right here, which I love. Natural Beige. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. I love it. It's a little bit, I'm really light right now. Okay, I'm gonna use my Perfect Setting Powder from Cover FX to set that. Just my under eyes. I'm not gonna set my face at all. And just everywhere I put concealer basically. So like right here, put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Okay, I'm gonna use my Butter Bronzer. This one is in Deep Bronzer. Ever since I did that video and kind of talked about how I never used it, I decided to start to use it more and keep on trying it out. And I'm using my Luxie 680, which is Pro Precision Face Brush, to contour, and I'm just kind of patting it in and then just kind of like buffing it out. I contour my nose as well. This brush is like so amazing. I can't even like believe how good it is. It's super dense, so I just like pat, I don't drag, and it just makes my contour look really, really good. Okay. For bronzer, I'm of course using this baby. You guys know how much I love this Too Faced Sweet Tea bronzer here. You know I'm obsessed with it. And I'm gonna bronze up slightly. For the cheeks, it's been a long time coming. This little baby is so affordable. This is the LA Colors Spice. You can find this currently at your Dollar Tree, and it's really good. This is my favorite. I have like 2 extras. This is my favorite blush. It's only $1, but it's amazing. It lasts all day, especially if you are my skin shade. You need this in your life. It looks good on multiple skin shades and tones. But we're gonna pop this on very lightly, just to give me color on my nose. Oh. Maybe a little bit on my forehead. Okay. For now, we're gonna leave it. We're gonna let it kind of like sink in, and then we'll dust it in a second. All right, back to the eyes, you guys. Okay. Okay, back to the eyes. Bestie right here. And we're gonna go on the lower lashes. And I'm just gonna smudge that around. Are you kidding me? Crystal, and put that in the inner corner, and then we're basically done. I'm not even gonna pop anything like on the waterline. Maybe we'll get like really teeny tiny close. Okay, so let's get into brownie points. Really teeny tiny close to the lower like lashes, almost like the lower lash line. Super teeny tiny close. You can curl your lashes, you can put on mascara. I'm gonna put on some lashes, some false lashes. So these are the House of Lashes Bombshell lashes. I think I got these in a BoxyCharm. And they're pretty, so I'm gonna pop these on and then we'll be back. Okay, so there we go. I popped these on. These are like wearable, but glamorous, like all in one. I really love it. So now you can really see like the eye look, how pretty it looks. All right, okay, so we're almost done. all I need now is highlighter and a lippy. So let's decide on highlight. Let's go with a Super Shock Cheek in Wisp. I think. Let's try it. Yep. Looks good. I'm just using my finger to kind of put it on. Can you see that gorgeousness? So you can basically, with this look, wear any of these lippies. The red lip would look really, really good, but we're not doing that. We're not gonna do the red lip. This would look really, really good. Which one's this one? Etoile or something like that would look really good, the metallic. This one in the middle, Nightlight, would look really, really good. Or if you are more of like the Little Star, which is like a burnt reddish color, this one would look really, really good with this look. So no matter which one you picked, it would look good with this look. So I think I'm going to go with Etoile, or whatever, however you pronounce this one. Let's see how that one looks. Okay, so this is Etoile. I'm gonna put it on. I think it's a gloss formula, and smear it out with my finger. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll put some of this little glitter one in the middle. Give my lips some depth. This is Nightlight. Look at this. It's gorgeous. So I hope you guys really like how this whole look turned out, you guys. I'm sorry my setting isn't like normal, but I don't know. I thought it'd be fun just to do a getting ready with me in front of my window. You guys see me in natural lighting. All my true imperfections have been seen. Anyways, I hope you guys like it. Have a happy New Year's. Be safe. Enjoy yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next year. Bye, guys.